Welcome to this month's Creative Innovators Meet-up. These happen every month across different venues across the Cardiff capital region. They're really just a chance for people who are interested in meeting within the creative sector to have a chat and a bit of networking with their peers.
I think Media Cymru is doing a wonderful job. I've attended some events before, and this one I think so far the best.
Met some really cool people. They're product designers, they're cool, traded some details with them.
I met a professor from the University of South Wales and a couple of other freelancers.
Usually there's a talk or something interesting happening. This month we've got access to Into the Sun at WMC. We've also got some really interactive, immersive experiences happening courtesy of Robin.
We are hosting tonight's Creative Innovators Meet-up in our gorgeous new Kutch area in Furnice, which has just opened here at the centre. It's a good chance for us to meet creatives from all parts of creative industries and showcase one of our experiences in our immersive venue, The Box, this evening. We've got Into the Sun, which is an interactive, generative art installation by the arts collective Universal Everything.
Yeah, wild. Wasn't expecting it, to be fair. Just plants popping up everywhere, very cool, very innovative.
So this evening we've been showing a demonstration of how to do hands-free interaction. So we've got a couple of different examples, some of them for arts installations, a little bit like the Universal Everything experience we've got over in Box, but you can also use it for capturing performance, for things like games or dance or theatre, and using it as a user interface for retail or for the heritage sector or advertising. So it's got quite a lot of uses, and we're hoping that it'll inspire people, and we seem to be getting a lot of interest. A lot of people want to know how it works, they're getting hands-on, which is always great, and it starts people talking, which is fabulous.